I woke up at 6 this morning, had a cup of warm water like every morning. Then I practiced meditation and recorded 2 yoga classes outside. It was a little bit cold and windy, and all I wanted after that was a cup of cacao, so I'm making one right now, and I am adding some cardamom. I love to add spices to my cacao, and just to put intentions of gratitude and love when I'm preparing it. I'm using water. Sometimes I like to use plant milk, but today I want to keep it very simple. Like this. I like to ritualize every moment of my life, as this keeps me grounded and makes me feel magical, like a witch or a fairy. I like to connect with the elements. Every time I lighten a candle up, I remember to set an intention, and most of the time it's the same intention. I am present. I am here and now. Before I drink or I eat anything, I like to smell it and to bless it. I try to cultivate gratitude during my day as much as I can. When you bring your awareness to the present moment, it becomes natural to feel grateful. Let's have a conversation about relationships. You know what? I wanted to make a video about polyamory, about why I want to stop polyamory, but I realized that I can't. It's not that I don't want to. I think like the right thing to do about my life, about my relationships, is just to choose myself on a romantic level and like be in a couple with myself, because I've been with different people at the same time for the past 4 years and it was so good, and wow, I think I'm a natural lover. We all are, but people, they don't understand when I say that I can really love different people at the same time, and my love just amplifies and amplifies and amplifies. Like the more I love someone, the more I can love another person, and the more I can love another person, and so on. But it's also a lot of energy, and it could be hard to handle, different emotions. Like, it's already hard to be with your own emotions, but when you're with someone, you have to accept his or her emotions. And so when you're with different people, with several people, you have to deal with all of their emotions, and so you really want to communicate, to share your feelings, to stay compassionate and understanding with the other person. And yeah, so this is what I learned from this polyamory experience. And it's crazy how much you learn about yourself from others. Like, wow, relationships, maybe it's like the most complicated thing, but it's also the most beautiful thing for me. I just love people, I don't know. So yeah, and when I said that I can't stop polyamory, it's like what I wanted to say is that I can't stop loving people. I can't love just one person and just give all of my love to this person, you know. But what I can do, I think, and I want to, is to have one romantic relationship with one person. But that doesn't mean that I just stop loving the other person, the other people, you know. Like right now, I'm still in love with some people that, you know, sometimes love means to let go. So I decided to do that, and to choose me and to, yeah, because I love to learn about me through relationships and from other people, but I also love sometimes, and I think it's necessary to have different phases, you know, during your life. I also love to learn about me just by being with myself. So I'm really excited to be single because I've never really been single. I mean, of course, when I was a child and a teenager, but then when I started to have boyfriend, I stayed single for 4 months. I mean, it's nothing, but I'm okay with that because, you know, I was ready to begin another relationship. When I'm into a love relationship, it's because I feel it with all of my heart and with all of my body and with all of my soul, and it just vibrates so much, and I'm like, it's the right thing to do, it's the right place to be, and it's not to fulfill a void inside of me. I don't think, no, it's not that. It feels right to, yeah, it just feels right. I can't explain that. And now it just feels right to be single and enjoy this life alone for a few months. Not forever, of course, because I love love. I love relationships. I love being in love. I love everything. I'm a romantic person. I just love the idea of love. And yesterday I was watching a series and just seeing couples, like people in love. It's like, wow, oh my god. So yeah, but now I just need a break. So for breakfast, I'm having a chia pudding that I made with soy milk, cinnamon, and coconut, and I am adding some fresh fruits on it: papaya, watermelon, banana.
No, it's not really aesthetic.
Peanut butter. lime, so yummy, and also some fresh basil from the garden. Wow, I am so grateful for that. Mother Nature is so generous. And I am eating outside in the sun. In silence, bringing my awareness to this moment, to the food. I like to say a little prayer to thank Mother Earth, the rain, the sun, all the people that allowed me to have this food right now. Then I bless my food. I'm taking a little break and having coconut water. It's like my obsession these days. It's so good. Sometimes I forget to stay hydrated, but with this coconut water and with some lime, cucumber infused water, it's pretty much easy and it tastes really good. Then I took my B12 pill. I totally forgot this morning. And I had a passion fruit juice and some leftovers. Am I the only one who think that leftovers are always better? Really? It's so good. So this is one of my favorite meals to cook and to eat, and you can find the recipe in my ebook. I just love this so much. All the spices, and it's so simple to make, really. I don't have dinner tonight because I'm not hungry at all. I just want a lemongrass tea. Thank you, Mother. One lemongrass tea for me, and another herbal tea for my friend. And I'm adding some syrup dates that a friend brought us. It's so delicious. I love it. And I'm finishing with a sentence from the book that I'm reading right now. To live intentionally, we must dig to the deepest why behind the want. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment. I love to connect with you guys. Thank you. I love you.